Hi everyone, here's our math problem for today. Let's begin with this octagon that is completely covered with 10 square tiles, and each square tile has an area of 1 square unit. That means the side length of each of these yellow square tiles is 1 unit. Then we draw this right triangle PQR. Now, if the area of the octagon below segment PQ is equal to the area of the octagon above segment PQ, then what is the ratio of XQ over QY? You can pause the video and see if you can solve this easy geometry problem. Now let's solve this problem together. Let's begin by highlighting this octagon and let's color it blue. Then we know that the area of the octagon is 10 square units because there are 10 yellow squares that completely cover our octagon. Now we have here this triangle and let's color it green that is completely below segment PQ, and there is also this small square that is also below segment PQ. Now from the figure we know that the area of this green triangle plus the area of this one small square is equal to 1/2 these 10 square units. And therefore we can now say that the area of the triangle plus 1 square unit is equal to 5 square units, which is 1/2 these 10 square units. And therefore the area of the triangle is equal to 4 square units. We simply remove the 1 square unit here. Now let's recall that the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height, but we can find the base here. The length of PR must be equal to 5 units because the base here is composed of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares, with each square having a side length of 1 unit. So using now the formula for the area of a triangle, and knowing that area is equal to 4 and base is equal to 5, then we can also solve for the height QR, which is now equal to 8/5. So we form this equation, area equals 4, and that is equal to 1/2 times the base of 5 times the height, and then multiply both sides by 4 to eliminate the denominator. We have 8 equals 5h, and divide both sides by 5 to get h equals 8/5. Now, this h is the length of this QR. But notice now that QR is composed of 2 line segments, QY and YR. We know that the height of the triangle is 8/5, and we know that YR is the side length of one of those squares with an area of 1 square unit and a side length of 1 unit, and therefore the length of YR is 1. And so we can now compute that QY is equal to 8/5 minus 1, which is equal to 3/5. So this QY is equal to 3/5, and that is this denominator. Now we need to find what is the value of XQ. Again, we know that XQ plus QY is equal to the side length of one of these yellow squares, and that is equal to 1 unit. And substituting our computed value for QY, which is 3/5, then XQ must be equal to 1 minus 3/5 or 2/5. And therefore we now have our value for XQ. So therefore the ratio now between XQ over QY is now equal to 2/5 over 3/5, and simplifying, that is equal to 2/3. You just have to simplify this complex fraction as 2/5 times the reciprocal of 3/5, which is 5/3, and 5 divided by 5 is 1. So the answer is 2/3. So the ratio now of XQ over QY is 2/3, and this is now our final answer. So thank you very much for following our page Assistant and German Academy and our YouTube channel Math Avenue. We are now approaching 200,000 followers in our Facebook page, and we are starting our YouTube channel. So I'm also inviting you to subscribe to our YouTube channel www.youtube.com/@mathavenue. So again, thank you very much. This is Lando Assistant, and we hope to see you again in our next video. Bye for now.